Hindi, babalik lang ng konti pero may dadaanan doon. Lolo, buog.
Malayo pang
Ano nga po pangalan mo?
Pinahabol talaga nila, oh. Wow, grabe. Gusto na kami. Rides naman kami ulit. Pupunta kami ng Lukban. Kamay ni Jesus.
Coffee cup, notification light blinks once, then let's go. No deadline
Lord,
screaming
keep us
out.
safe.
No
Lahat
crowd
po.
inside my
Lahat.
head, just the rhythm of
Kasi
the
po,
rain and
salamat.
quiet things you said. Kick drum kicks, soft and deep. Snare snaps a lazy sweep. Hi-hats
Pwede
whisper,
lang.
tick-tock. Lock the heavy world out. Unlock. Let it fade in, let it fade out. What was lost is found right now. No sharp edges, no loud crowd. Just a hum, a steady sound. Lo-fi heart, hi-fi peace. Watch the static slowly cease. In the chill we find the beat. Slow fade and incomplete and sweet.
Traffic. Ma-traffic ngayon kahit ano. Kahit madaling araw pa.
By chopped up syllables, lullaby. Everything's alright, they sing. Pitch shifted on a broken wing. Piano plays a minor chord, resolves the major, strikes a chord. Inside the chest where tension lived, a melody is all you
Saan to?
give. Kick drum kicks soft and deep. Snare snaps a lazy sweep. Hi-hats whisper, tick-tock. Lock the heavy world out. Unlock.
Malapit na mag-sunrise, guys.
What was lost is found right now. No sharp edges, no loud crowd. Just a hum, a steady sound. Lo-fi heart.
Baka doon sa probinsya na hindi na ma-traffic.
The static slowly cease. In the chill we find the beat. Slow fade and incomplete and sweet. Slow fade and incomplete. Sidechain pumping, breathing lungs. 4 bars of space, no drums at all. Just the reverb tail.
Oo.
Long and tall.
Bagal rin naman ako. Baka napako siya eh.
Held on the keys, suspension hanging in the breeze. Drop the bass back, gentle thump, heart rate settle into a hum.
Ha? Sarap.
What was lost is found right now. No sharp edges, no loud crowd. Just a hum, a steady sound. Lo-fi heart, hi-fi peace. Watch the static.
Medyo wala ng traffic dito, guys. Dito lang dun sa dinaanan natin sa una.
Fade and incomplete and sweet.
Sino to? Kailangan ba iba to? Tara!
Just breathe.
Wala.
Slow fade
Oo.
and incomplete and sweet.
Ano yan? Racing? Racing, oh.
The window pane.
Wow.
Rain on
Hello,
the
big
window
bike.
pain. Rain on the window pane.
Okay.
Coffee cups
Ayun,
still vacation night brings no deadlines
Habol!
no
Habulin nyo!
just the
Sabi, hinahabol talaga nila, oh. Wow! Grabe!
soft and deep. Snare snaps a lazy sweep. I had
Kaya nga,
TikTok
grabe, oh.
the heavy
Wala!
unlock. Let it fade in, let it fade in.
Bilis eh.
What was lost is found right now.
Oo.
Sharp edges don't
Oo.
just down.
Pwede yun, big bike yun eh.
Incomplete and sweet. Rain on the window pane. Coffee cup steaming slow. Notification light blinks once.
Oo.
Let's
Grabe, yung bilis ni Coco, oh.
no deadline screaming out. No crowd inside my head.
Bilis ng motor niya.
Just the rhythm of the rain.
Click 125 na version 4.
Kick drum kicks soft and
Oh, Smart Key Edition.
snaps a lazy sweep. Hi-hats whisper
Oo.
tick-tock. Lock the heavy world. Unlock, let it fade in.
Oh, mas maganda yan kasi keyless.
What was lost is found right now. No sharp
Oo.
edges, no loud crowd. Just a hum.
So, 90 yung takbo ni Coco siguro yan, ah.
Find peace, watch the static slow.
Kaya nga.
In the chill, we find the beat. Slow fade, complete and sweet. So flow
Bilisan din natin.
chopped up syllables, lullaby. Everything's alright, they sing. Pitch shifted on the broken wing. Piano plays a minor chord. Resolves the major strikes a chord. Inside the chest, like tension left. And melody is a
Ha? Ang bilis nga din nila. Kaya mo lang.
snaps a lazy sweep. Hi-hats whisper
Ha?
lock the heavy world up. Unlock, let it fade in, let it
Hindi nga sila mahabol eh.
was lost is found right now. No sharp edges, no
Sila bumangon.
just a hum. Steady sound, lo-fi high. Find peace, watch the static slowly cease. In the chill, we find the beat. Slow fading, incomplete and sweet. Side chain pumping, beating notes. Four bars of space, no drums.
Hindi pa.
Just a
Ang lawak lang, Carlo. Huwag ka masyadong uwi.
suspension hanging.
Ang lawak ng kalsada, oh. Tatry ko nga isagad eh.
Rain on the
Parang,
window
dito
pane.
yata eh.
Gray light across the floor. Coffee steam rises slow.
Dito no?
I don't need much more. Kick drum, heartbeat low. Hi-hat whispers time. Let the noise fade out. Let the rhythm rhyme.
Sakto na to. Paliko.
In the silence,
Hawa ka na ano? Uwi lang.
without the static.
Baka singaw lang yung gulong. Yung gilid.
Automatic. Just loops and light.
Nilagyan ba kaya ng sealant yan doy? Ang bilis nyo kasi. Ang bilis nyo. Kita nyo yung bundok na yan guys. Bundok Banahaw daw yan, sabi ni Carla. Sabi ni Carla, bundok Banahaw daw. Sinabi mo na eh, bundok Banahaw eh. Tama ba? Dito tinuturo eh.
Draws a line, simple, clean, serene. No rush to arrive, just happy to stay. Riding on the wave of a perfect day.
Ha?
Breathe in the silence, breathe out the static.
Hindi. Sa kamay ni Jesus. Wait lang. Ang gulo ng ano eh. Alok ba no? Diretso. Tama ba? Tama to. Hmm? Pero bakit dito dadaan? No? Di ba may diretso na daanan doon, tas kumanan tayo? Kaya nga, nakakalito yung daan. Pero tama naman yung turo. Ito mga nagbabike ko, grabe, sisipag. Saan na banda to? Di ba taga dito ka? Malamig-lamig na yung hangin dito, oh, no? Yun, manok pang tinulan dami. Oh, ayaw mo? Oh, tingnan mo, ang ganda ng kalsada dito. Kita mo yan. No? Bang, angas ni, ano? Angas ni Axel Josh, oh. Ang bibilis magmotor, oh. Banking. Mga banking gods. Oh, op. 6:26 na. Oh, malakas yung giorno, ah. Malakas yung giorno. Classic. Iba nagbabike dito, no? Nagbabike lang papuntang kamay ni Jesus. Okay. Parang nakakatamad na umuwi pag gano'n. Yung balikan na bike, galing ka ng ano, pupuntang kamay ni Jesus, napagod ka na. Tapos babalik ka pa pag uwi. Hostek. Joseph. Ito yung ano, view deck nila. Sila yung tambay. Ito na yung ganda na, oh. Ang ganda ng nature trip. Ayaw nilang ano. So, ako nang mabilis. Thank you.
Midnight coffee, midnight peace. Finally found my slow release.
Hinto sana tayo sa beauty pala. Pero okay lang yan. Gutom na tayo. Dalawa nagkakarera, oh. Hindi, ah. Dalang kalsada, oh. Oo. Ah, mag-aantay ako dun sa, ano, balik ko. Nagagawa niya nilang tulay yan dyan. 2.8 kilometers. Wala pa sila. Si Joseph yan. Maganda yung ano lang nila, parkingan.
Finally found my slow release.
Ito pala yung supply ng ano, kawayan. Wow, bayang Mapang Aliw. Ha?
Just the silence, just the gray.
Oo. Bukid kasi. Kaya kailangan nila paikot-ikot. Woo! Diretso. 120 meter, 100 meter, 90 meter, 60 meter this way.
Night coffee,
This way daw, this way.
no deadlines,
Lokban
yeah,
to
no
Laguna,
reason.
Liliyo. Barangay Pagasa, Liliyo, Laguna na tayo guys. 400 meter.
Found feet on the floor, no
Bago liliko ulit.
midnight coffee, midnight
Diretso pa tayo.
peace. Finally found my slow release. My slow release.
170. O kakaliwa. Adajay Lukban. Wow. Grabe. Sinakop yung kalahating kalsa. Ano to? Ganito talaga to. Sinakop yung ano, buong kalsada ng mga tindahan. Perya. Peryahan ba yun? Tindahan yun eh. Magpapiesta ba ito ngayon dito? Malamig ang simoy ng hangin.
Coffee cold, but the feeling remains. Coke and piles while the world sleeps deep. Promises that I finally keep. No alarm set for the morning light. Just the groove and the quiet night. Shoulders drop the weight they held. Stories that the silence
I love
tells.
Panglan.
Breathing in
Welcome to Panglan guys! Nasa Panglan na tayo!
to prove out there. Nice steady coming low, where the chill and
Susapros
my heart beats steady time. Everything is rhythm right.
Sana tayo?
Nice
Thank you, come again. Thank you.
found in the turning tide. Just this moment, just
Wow.
this sound. Feet off the ground.
Maghinto kasi tayo sa Padre Pio. Hindi. Sinukat na namin yung kilometer. Mas lamang yung Monte Maria ng ano, mga 10 kilometer. Yung... Ay, hindi pala yung Mauban. Yung Lukban, malapit lang. Mas malapit sa Monte Maria yung Lukban, yung Kamay ni Jesus. Pero yung diretso sa Mauban, yun mas malayo. Alin yung wave? Ilang oras? Asan pupunta? Ay, inatid ni tatay mo si ano mo? So wala pang isang oras. Baka mabilis magpatakbo si tatay. Hindi mo alam, umaabot ng 80 takbo nun. Hindi ka sure, depende sa driver. If 30. Grabe ang daanan na. Oy. Ito. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hot pursuit. I love Madayjay. Ha? Oo nga. Ito Ito yung sa swimming. Ano lang yata? May high falls lang to. Picture kayo, oh. Ay, hindi ko rin nadala yung sealant kasi parang nawala na rin. Tara. Tara, bye. Oh, there ya. Loh. 12 kilometer. Diretso ba to? Wait. Dito to pala? No vehicle entry daw? Tama ba ito? Grabe naman kipot ng daanan na to.
Rain on the window pane, coffee cup steaming slow. Notification
Yata.
light blinks once, then lets it go. No deadline, screaming now. No crowd inside my head, just the rhythm of the rain and the quiet things you said. Kick drum kicks, soft and deep. Snare snaps a lazy sweep. Hi-hats whisper, tick-tock. Lock the heavy world out, unlock. Let it fade in, let it fade out. What was lost is found right now. No sharp edges, no loud crowd. Just a hum, a steady sound. Lo-fi heart, hi-fi peace. Watch the static slowly cease. In the chill we find the beat slow fading, incomplete and sweet.
Ganun yata kataas yung stick ng rod eh.
Float on by, chopped up syllables, lullaby, everything's all
Alam mo kung bakit ko ginaganyan? Nasalit-salitan ko kasi pag nag-overheat ang brake fluid, delikado. Mawawalan tayo. Oh, pero open that one road. Tandaan lang. Engine brake.
What was lost is found right now. No sharp edges, no loud crowd. Just a hum, a steady sound. Lo-fi heart, hi-fi peace. Watch the static
Ano to?
slowly cease.
Welcome to Falls Pride. Okay.
Complete and sweet.
Barangay Piit. Welcome to Barangay Piit. Piit na tayo, guys. Hindi ko lang kung saan to. Kung Piit na to. Ito, laki ng bundok, oh. Wow. Ito daw ang tinatawag na bundok Panahaw, guys. Sabi ni Carla. Lokban. Bundok Panahaw. Ang laki, oh. Dito maganda-ganda na yung kalsada eh, no? Hindi na siya traffic. Yung ganyan service mo, oh. Konting lupa tumauban. Ang kita na. Diba ang ganda ng view? Ah. Sarado ba helmet mo? Sorry. Bakit? Sa Samil. Hindi ko alam.
incomplete, sweet.
2 point na.
Just breathing.
Yan si Joseph, guys. Si Joseph yan. Woo! Welcome to Lukban, Lukbanyos. Maligayang magtambay kayo dyan. Iwan namin kayo. Welcome to Barangay Ayuti. Kaibang barangay, no? Ayuti. Ito yung bypass road.
Let it go.
Kaya nga. Nakita ko yun, pero dito diretso, pero bypass road yun. Uy, nag-uusap na. Pagbalik, doon na tayo dadaan sa bypass road.
Gray light across
Yung
the
galing Mauban.
steam rises slow. I don't need much.
Doon na may dadaanan din doon.
Kick drum, heartbeat.
Hindi, babalik lang ng konti, pero may dadaanan doon. Lulu,
Let the noise fade out. Let the rhythm run. Breathe
Buti,
inside.
buti nakain to eh.
Static. Notes hangs
Axel at saka Coco, wala pa.
It's automatic. Just
Ano sila?
drifting through the
Hindi.
night. Soft
Ha?
piano keys.
Ha?
The mind beds a bass hum deep
Hindi, si Coco Axel. Hentay.
to keep chill flow
Tara.
where the quiet grows.
Ito to, paglabas dito o ano no?
Let it go.
Paglabas ng city. Ha?
Sidechain ducking hard, making space to breathe. Melody draws a line, simple, clean.
School nila.
No
Ano ba?
rush to arrive.
Public ba yun din?
Happy to stay, riding on the wave of a perfect day. Breathe in silence, breathe out static. Notes hang
350. Ito na yata yun eh.
It's automatic, just
Ha?
light drifting through the
Ito na yung entrance yata.
piano keys. Put them
Ito yata yun.
daddy sub bass humming deep.
Ha?
Promises to keep chill
Ito na yata yun. Ito na ba yan?
where the quiet grows.
Kamay ni Jesus to, boss? Yun. Ikot, ikot. Ay! Yaks. Francis. Oh. Tama. Ito na yun. Ang kamay ni Jesus. Ha? Oh. May barya ka dyan?
Just oops,
Hindi ko alam eh.
light drifting through
20 lang yata.
the night. Soft piano keys.
Lampas na nga. Nagkakabunutan ng barya.
Promises to keep chill flow
Ilan ba yan?
where the quiet
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, magkano yan? Ayan. Okay na, okay na.
Let it go. Let it go.
40 yan, sakto. Kay ano? 2, 4. Hindi. 2, 4. O, 4. 4 boss, 4 yung ano. Ay, binayaran mo na lahat? Okay, okay na? Ingi.
Just breathe.
Canada.
Sa ano kami? Sa...
Akala ko papasok ka talaga.
Saan ba yun? Saan ba yung pier na yun?
Ha?
Matnog pier. Oh.
Matnog.
Papunta Samar.
Malapit na sa inyo sa Matnog?
Sa inyo malayo yung Matnog.
Malayo pa? Ay, mas malayo pa sa inyo sa Matnog.
Ano nga po pangalan mo?
Malayo.
Alfredo Lini. Ah, lata sa'yo, Mayor.
Watching the night turn into power.
Skitter. Gusto ko yung ano lang,
City soft and low.
bracelet. Wait lang, mag-isip ako sa mga ilalagay. Mag-isip ko ilalagay sa loob eh.
Inhale the calm. Safe in the eye of the storm.
of Eden.
Beats in symmetry. Neon signs passing by. We don't need to fly, just float tonight. Just float tonight. Piano notes fall like rain on the floor. Each one the key to a forgotten door. So bass vibrating under the skin, reminding me where the peace begins. No deadlines, chasing the sunrise down. Just the rhythm of sleep in the town. Headphones on, world tuned out. Exhale the noise, inhale the calm. Safe in the eye of the storm. Slow drift, low frequency, heartbeats in symmetry. Neon signs passing by. We don't need to fly, just float tonight. Float tonight, just float tonight. Time stretches thin, elastic and deep. Promises kept while the world is asleep. No words needed now, just the space between sound. The space between sound. Slow drift, low frequency, heartbeats in symmetry. Neon signs passing by. We don't need to fly, just float tonight. Float tonight, just float tonight. Slow drift, slow drift. Fading out, static hum. Peace, 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 peace.